This YouTube channel has experienced an explosive surge, skyrocketing from 0 to over 500K subscribers in just 3 months. It specializes in narrating dark psychological tales, leveraging the power of AI to captivate millions of viewers. The videos are incredibly engaging, prompting me to create a tutorial on crafting dark psychological shorts, where I'll unveil all my secret methods. But why should you bother learning to create these videos? Well, let me tell you, this channel is raking in an astronomical amount of money. The realm of dark manipulation alone is generating around $12,000 per month. So, let's dive into the process. We'll begin by utilizing AI tools such as ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, 11 Labs, and Runway. First, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and let's get started with the step-by-step tutorial. The first step is generating the script, and I'll show you 2 options. Option 1, head over to ChatGPT and simply type in "generate a script for YouTube shorts about dark psychology and manipulation techniques." It will provide you with a video script instantly. If you're not satisfied with the output, you can hit try again to generate a new one. Now, the second method is a bit controversial but effective. Find a well-performing video in the same niche, for example, on the dark manipulation channel, and copy its URL. Then, use a service like DubDub to transcribe the video and obtain the script. Paste this script into ChatGPT, asking if it can reword it to avoid outright plagiarism. Next, we need to generate the imagery using Leonardo AI. We can use ChatGPT to write prompts for generating images in Leonardo AI. Ask ChatGPT to provide a list of prompts related to manipulation psychology and dark themes. It will generate prompts that align with the story narrative, making the process seamless. Once we have our prompts, we'll open Leonardo AI and input them to generate images. Adjust the settings accordingly, select the appropriate dimensions, and choose the style. Paste the prompts provided by ChatGPT and generate the images. Now, let's animate these pictures to elevate our video. We'll use Runway for this purpose. Upload each image, generate animations, and download them. Voila! Our footage is ready, featuring captivating animated images that will undoubtedly enhance the storytelling experience. Now, it's time to generate the voiceover, and we'll utilize 11 Labs for this task. Allow me to guide you through the process. If you haven't already, sign up for a free account. Once logged in, navigate to the Voices section and explore to find a deep voice suitable for your shorts videos. Select the Narrative and Story category and look for voices with the deep badge. Add your chosen voice to the Voice Lab, then proceed to finish. Return to the Speech section, select your chosen voice, paste the text provided by ChatGPT, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready. Now that we have the voiceovers, let's proceed with video editing using CapCut, a free video editing software. Begin by starting a new project, then upload all the necessary files. Drag and drop them onto the timeline, ensuring to choose the format suitable for YouTube Shorts, which is a 9:16 ratio. Trim any silent parts of the voiceover and adjust the video sizes accordingly. Now, let's enhance the video with some cool transitions. Navigate to the Transition section, search for glitch transitions, and add them between video clips. Experiment with different transitions to find ones that suit your style. Next, let's add some video effects to make the edit more engaging. Explore the effects library, experiment with various effects, and apply them to your video. Adding different effects will give your video a unique vibe and captivate viewers. Afterward, let's add captions. CapCut has a feature to automatically generate captions. Select Auto Captions, choose English as the language, and generate the captions. You can then edit them to your liking, adjusting the size and appearance. Don't forget to add background music to enhance the overall experience. Once you're satisfied with the edit, export the video from CapCut with the same settings as mentioned. Consistency is key on YouTube, so aim to upload at least 4 videos per day. And if you've enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to follow the channel for more content.